Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Vivek Gadekar. Today I am talking about uh, B2B import export consultancy. B2B import export consultancies belong with service industry which is provide to their users uh, a learning program and consultancy advice. Introduction. Import export business is one of the fastest growing sector in India. uh, uh, in India, import export is belonging with consultancy regarding import and export business in India and worldwide also. Is giving services to the new members who wants to start shipment and want to build a career in import export industry. B2B import export consultancy is related to service sector because they giving business support only into the worldwide. International companies needs a consultancy company for their international business because they need legal and financial advisor for the organization which is provided by B2B import export consultancy. And now I'm talking about 7 P's. First P is product. B2B introduce their product, basically is consultancy means service industry. That's why B2B have a product is consultancy and their training program. B2B is provide consultancy regarding import and export in the industry for the companies, individuals, and learners, and also provide a training program for their new beginners. And he is also manage risk management and time management. Second P is price. uh, B2B charge their documentation fees 4,500, for licensing 5,000, consultancy per call 500, and they charge for learning program 19,000 to 24,000 respectively for their two programs. And for digital marketing and website they charge as per the deal. Third P is place. B2B have regarding with export industry. That's why they don't need a specific location, but they have their offices in worldwide also, and uh, they spread in India. They have location in Pune, Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Dubai, and uh, Sri Lanka also. Next P is promotion. B2B export industry is focuses on social media marketing and referral only because they have can deal with their target customers and they save money from that. B2B have three own technical departments which manage their digital marketing and also provide their clients. B2B also provide this in promotion marketing to their customers, and they made a website where interested clients came and contact with their departments. B2B is active on YouTube. They daily upload their content on YouTube channel and promote their company. The next P is people. B2B having their own staff which is works under the instruction of Pune branch because Pune branch is the headquarters of B2B import export consultancy. B2B appoint educated people only because they need a knowledgeful person to interact with their customers. B2B having their different department like technical, legal, finance, and etc. That's why they appoint people from respective background. B2B give them big vision and dream, and all staff are working for the team goal. And for motivation, B2B give a bonus, incentive, and international tours to their employees. B2B makes a healthy relation with their employees because they need to maintain the long term relationship with their employees. The next P is process. Basically, B2B is combination of operation and marketing and finance, where they work from clients finding to satisfy their customers. and between that they do different works like problem solving, support and field work, etc. The next is physical evidence. Import export industry is fastest growing sector in India. That's why B2B is organizing events for their clients in the offices and interact with their clients. They organize a field visit where they showcase their facilities and works done by B2B, and most of them take benefit quickly. And thank you guys.